At this point, we've seen that it can be a good deal of work to find the eigenvalues of a matrix, but as is often the case, triangular matrices are very easy in this regard. It's important to know that the determinant of a triangular matrix is the product of the main diagonal entries, and this is exactly what makes finding its eigenvalues so straightforward. Link in the description to my lesson introducing eigenvalues if you need to recap that. Let's do a quick general example with this upper triangular matrix. We'll find its eigenvalues, and you'll see how this same method would apply to any other triangular matrix as well. To find the eigenvalues of this matrix, we need to solve its characteristic equation, which begins by finding the determinant of this matrix, lambda I minus A. That matrix looks like this. It's just the negatives of the entries of A with a lambda, that's the eigenvalue, added on the diagonal. So what's the determinant of this matrix? Well, it's an upper triangular matrix, so of course its determinant is just the product of the main diagonal entries. That determinant will set equal to 0, that's the characteristic equation, and then solve it. All the values of lambda solving that equation are the eigenvalues. So this determinant, as we know, is equal to the product of the diagonal entries, which you see there, and then we need to set this determinant equal to 0. To find the eigenvalues, we solve this equation. That's the characteristic equation. The determinant equals 0. Of course, this is very easily solved by the zero product property. This factor gives lambda equals A11, this factor gives lambda equals A22, and so on. We see that these are the 4 eigenvalues, which are precisely the main diagonal entries of the triangular matrix. And so you can see how this would apply in general. The eigenvalues of a triangular matrix, whether it's upper triangular, lower triangular, or simply diagonal, the eigenvalues are just the main diagonal entries. So there's the theorem that this example demonstrates. The eigenvalues of a triangular matrix are the main diagonal entries. Let's try a quick example. Let's say we want to find the eigenvalues of this 3 by 3 matrix. Well, it's upper triangular, so its eigenvalues are just its diagonal entries. So we could write lambda 1 equals 2, lambda 2 equals 1/2, and lambda 3 equals -5. The eigenvalues of the matrix are just the main diagonal entries because it is triangular. That's a 3 by 3 example with an upper triangular matrix. Here's a 4 by 4 example with a diagonal matrix, which is a special type of triangular matrix. What are the eigenvalues? Well, again, they're just the diagonal entries. 1, -2, 3/4, and 10. And there are your eigenvalues. So once again, to find the eigenvalues of a triangular matrix, well, they're just the main diagonal entries, and it's as easy as that. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and be sure to check out my linear algebra course and linear algebra exercises playlists in the description for more. If you find my linear algebra videos helpful, please consider supporting what I do by joining Wrath of Math as a channel member. You can get access to additional exercises and practice, and at the premium tier or above, you can access the lecture notes as well.